Hi guys, Terry here. I received my next Annie's Quilters Fabric Club monthly fabric order, so let's see what this month's hold. I signed up a few months ago for this. The idea being that I would sew something every month. Hasn't happened yet. Right now I'm just collecting the orders, which is sad. So I need to start on this. So let's see. This is some batiks. I'm not a fan of batiks. I know that they're big in the quilting world, but let's see what these have on them here. There's usually a project. Let me see. There's usually a project that they have with it here. So what's this month's? So that's pretty. I love the flowers. I love the colors. Oh, beautiful. So we got that one. And those. And then these two. So really pretty. Dark green. Yellow. Now what I don't see in here is the... Says there's a batiks leaflet. I think maybe I didn't get the leaflet. I will have to contact them, or maybe it's online. I do not see it in here. I see the invoice. Yeah, it says there's supposed to be a leaflet. I don't know. I will contact them, but it's very pretty. I will look on their website too, and I'll have a link to their website. It's annieskitclubs.com, and find out what is going on with this. So, okay, I found out what the deal was. When I logged into the Annie's Kit Clubs website and went into my account, I could see the clubs that I have, which one is for my grandson, the Young Woodworkers Kit Club. That comes monthly to him, and he loves those. I'll show you those. He's gotten those the last few months here. He built the turbo racer, and then the marshmallow launcher, and then this month is the candy machine. So they probably just got that in the mail the other day. So on the Fat Quarter Club, this is the batik fabrics that just came. And there is a pattern that you can download. So I don't know whether they're going to start just having you go to the website and download them. The last couple of months, the brochure came with the items. So maybe they're going to more electronic and having you download the pattern. So let's see what this looks like here. So it shows making placemats and a table runner. So it's got all the measurements and then how to cut it and sew it together. And that's there. It says 2 charming placemats and a table runner. So really pretty fabric. So I don't know if I'll make the I don't know, I should make myself make these items because it'll just be fun and good practice, but that looks really cute. It's a unique shape of the placemats. So, very cute. So I'll have to find out if they are having you just download the brochure and have it on your computer. So, I kind of like that. I like that I can just have a link to it and not have all the paper around. So, alright, well, I will talk to you guys later. Hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.